Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. All right, Janice, tell us what's
Hi.
happened to your back. And
I know, this is an amazing story. So I've had back pain forever.
How many
Hardly
years?
can bend down, right, or bend over. And I would even fly to Miami to have Michael Jackson's doctor give me PRP shots on my back. And they worked, for a year, and then go back another year.
Okay.
So I was in here for my jaw. Remember, this is why I came in here, because I couldn't open my mouth. My dentist said, you got to meet this guy. He's going to help you with your jaw. And I'm like, So once he did help me with my jaw, I said, oh, wait a minute. What about my back pain? So he said to me, have you ever had a C-section? And I'm like, yeah, my son's 24. Just lay down. Let me feel your stomach. You don't mind, do you? And I said, no, I don't mind. And he goes, oh, my God, what's in your stomach? I said, my yoga instructor says the same thing to me. What the heck is in your gut? So we worked on it for like 10 minutes. He goes, do you have any back pain? I'm like, no, I don't have any back pain. And I got up and I touched the floor and I stood up and it's never come back.
So how long you had the back pain?
At least 20 years.
20 years. And what kind of treatment you had for your back?
I've had, what are the shots that you get here when you lay down at the doctor's office and they put that needle in your back? You can only have 3 of them. Epidural.
Epidural injection?
Right.
Okay.
So I've had 3 of those, but that's it. You can't have any more after that.
Okay.
And then I found a doctor in Miami that was doing PRP before we were doing it in California.
Okay.
And I flew out there every other year because it would work for a whole year.
Okay. For how many years you had the PRP shots?
Over the last 6 years.
6 years. So you had 6 shots for that.
And I found a doctor here in California, and I was just ready to go and have my shot. As a matter of fact, I had my appointment, remember?
Yeah.
And then Dr. Jacobs fixed me. I canceled my appointment, and I've had no back pain since.
Don't tell the doctor.
I won't, because that's a pretty expensive shot.
So how many ASTR treatment you had to relieve your back pain? One treatment. So when was the treatment? How many months ago?
Oh, it's been a while, right? We'd have to look, but I would say maybe February.
February, we currently in June, so you had one treatment in February for back pain.
In my stomach.
In the stomach.
Was in my stomach.
And now it's January, so February to January, 4 months. That's long-term relief.
Right.
Yeah. So what do you think about ASTR?
Oh, well, if you were over here, I'd give you another hug.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Jacob.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to astrinstitute.com.